7 best exercises to increase vertical jump for basketball. Is being able to jump high to reach something or dunk a basketball vital to you? If reaching new heights interests you, stay tuned, because in this video, I will share some specific exercises that will help you achieve that goal. You can have the most incredible talent as a basketball player, but your vertical leap is something you can always improve on. Here, higher is always better. Not only will you be able to accumulate more rebounds for your team, but also steals and blocks. It will also make you more capable of impressive dunks, which do not just score points, but also boosts team spirit. So when you are off the court, try these exercises to increase your vertical jump and become the best basketball player you can be. 1. Skipping rope. Jump rope exercises might not seem like they do much to increase your vertical jump, but they are essential to conditioning your legs and feet for jumping. Although it helps to do high jumps while skipping rope, it is not necessary since the goal is simply to strengthen your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and calves. 2. Lateral jumps. Lateral jumps require you to jump from side to side, which might seem contrary to your vertical jump goal, but add this to your drills, and you will not just improve your overall athletic performance, but also your jumps. To do this, stand on the floor with your feet around hip-width apart. Jump to your right as far as you can. As you land on your right leg, cross your left leg and tap your toe behind it. Allow your arms to swing and keep them wherever it is comfortable for you. Do the same for the left side. As fluidly as you can, keep switching between the two sides until you have completed 40 reps, or 20 per side. 3. Jump squats. Stand with your feet around hip-width apart. Keep your hands clasped firmly at chest level. Lower your butt down into a squat. Hold the lowest position for 2 seconds before jumping up as high as you can. You can swing your arms down to help propel you higher. As your feet hit the ground, lower yourself back down into a squat and repeat the same steps. Repeat until you have completed 20 jump squats. 4. Tuck jumps. Stand with your feet around hip-width apart. Bend your body and knees forward to prepare yourself for a jump. Jump straight up as high as you can. As your feet leave the ground, lift your knees and tuck them as close to your chest as you can. Straighten your knees out as your feet touch the floor. Repeat this exercise 20 times. 5. Single leg 4 corners. Mark your floor with 4 dots as if making up 4 corners of a box. The corners must be 20 inches apart. Stand on your right leg and step on one dot. Keep your balance while you hop on one leg from one dot to the other in a clockwise motion. Switch legs when you have completed the box 4 times. Do the same for the left leg. Switch back to the right leg and do the same in a counterclockwise direction. Do the same for the left leg. 6. Reach jumps. Stand on the floor with your feet around hip-width apart. Keep your arms at your sides. Squat down and hold your lowest position for 2 seconds before exploding straight up into a jump. As you do so, lift your arms straight up above your head. When your feet reach the floor, lower yourself back down into a squat and repeat the exercise. Repeat until you have completed 20 reach jumps. 7. Split squat jumps. Stand with your feet around hip-width apart. Lower yourself into a squat and jump straight up. As your feet lift off from the floor, split your legs so that your right foot is in front of you and your left foot is behind you when you hit the floor. As your feet reach the floor, lower your body down into a lunge. Hold the lunge for about 2 seconds before jumping straight up and splitting your legs the other way so that your left foot is in front of you and your right foot is behind you when you hit the floor. Keep alternating between both sides until you have done 20 reps or 10 per side. You do not need to do all these exercises all at once. Choose the ones that you feel are most challenging and do them regularly. Then make sure you track your progress. Chances are, adding these exercises to your basketball drills or as part of your daily workout routines will help you achieve explosive vertical jumps, which are an essential asset to every basketball player. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.